today's lecture, we are going to calculate some quantities by using the center line method. So let's take an example. Work out the quantities of following items by using center line method. So for this example, I will take one room plan (5 meter by 4 meter). This is the plan. So this is the ground level. The width of wall is 30 centimeter. This is 40 centimeter. This is 70 centimeter. This is 80 centimeter. This is 90 centimeter. So this is the PCC. This is section of wall. This is plan. So this is the load bearing structure. So we have to calculate the quantities. Number 1, earthwork in excavation in foundation. Second, concrete in foundation. And third one, brickwork in foundation. Count the quantities of following items by using the center line method. In center line method, first of all, we have to calculate the center to center distance. So the room size is 5 meter by 4 meter and the thickness of wall is 30 centimeter. So this center to center distance is 5 meter plus half width of wall and half width of wall, that is 5.3 meter. And for this side, for this direction, 4 meter plus half width of wall, that is 4.3 meter. Therefore, Therefore, first of all, I will calculate the center line length. Center line length of plan is equal to, so this is 5.3 meter plus 4.3 meter plus 5.3 meter and plus 4.3 meter, means 5.3 twice plus 4.3 into 2, that is we will get the total center line of the plan, that is equal to, it will comes to 19.2 meter. After that I will use that formula to calculate the total center line length, that is total center line length is equal to center line length of plan minus number of junction into half into width. So I will get this total center line length of plan by calculating the center to center distance of different walls, that is 19.2. In the center line method, we have to take care that when there is partition wall or cross walls are present, in that case we have to deduct the junction points or common points. But in this case, it may be noted that at the corners of building where two walls are meet, at that point there is no subtraction or addition is required. So therefore the number of junction in this case is 0. So this term, it will be 0. Therefore 0, that is 19.2 minus 0 is 19.2 meter. So this is the total center line length. Now these quantities we have to enter into the measurement sheet. So in measurement sheet there are various columns are there, that is serial number, particulars or description, after that NOS, numbers, length in meter, breadth or width, this is also in meter, and depth, height or depth, this is also in meter. Last column, quantity. So this is the measurement sheet. So we have to calculate the quantities in this sheet. So first quantity that we have to work out, that is earthwork in excavation in foundation. So I will write here serial number 1, earthwork in excavation in foundation. So in NOS column there is only one center line length of the plan. So I will write in this column 1. So what is the length of this whole plan? We had calculated that total center line length, that is 19.2 2. So in breadth, whatever the maximum width of excavation that we have to take from the section. So here the maximum width of the footing is 90 centimeter. So this is the load bearing structure. So this cross section is provided throughout the walls. So I will take here the maximum width of the footing, that is 90 centimeter. So I will write here 0.9 meter. So what about depth? So here we have to take the depth below the ground level. So this is the excavation depth. So add this one, 20 plus 30, 30 and 20. So it will be 1 meter. After that, multiply this length, breadth and depth. We will get the quantities of excavation. After multiplying this length, breadth and depth, we will get quantity 17.28 meter cube. The unit of excavation is meter cube or cubic meter. So next quantity, concrete in foundation. So in notch column I will write here 1 because there is total center line of the plant. In length, the total center line length is 19.2. Breadth. So this is the concrete work in the footing. So we have to calculate this one, PCC. The width of this PCC is 90 centimeter. So I will write here 0.9 meter. And what is the depth for PCC? That is 20 centimeter. 0.2 meter. Again, we have to multiply length, breadth and depth. And we will get the quantity 3.456 cubic meter. Again, concrete work is measured in cubic meter. Next one, brickwork in foundation. So for this item, I will divide this footing into different steps, that is first, second and this one is third step. So according to that, brickwork in foundation for first step, in numbers column 1, the length of total center line is 19.2 for first step, and what is the width of this first step? 80 centimeter. So I will write here 0.8 meter. And what is the depth for this first step? 30 centimeter. So I will write here 0.3 meter. So after multiplying these, we will get quantities 4.608 cubic meter. Again, for second step, Nose is 1. Length is also same. For second step, breadth is 70 centimeter. So I will write here 0.7 meter. And what is the depth for this step? 30 centimeter. 0.3. So after multiplying this, we will get 4.032 cubic meter. And for third step, nose is 1, the length is also same, 19.2 meter. And what is the width? 40 centimeter, that is 0.4, and depth is 20 centimeter. So after multiplying these values, I will get 1.536 cubic meter. So in this way, we will work out the different quantities by using the center line method.